All right, people. So we're right back at you. So picking up again with this SR20. So right now we got the crank laid out. So we miking things up, taking a look at our journal sizes for the mains and the rods, miking that stuff up, doing a little bit of the math, seeing how this stuff is gonna shape up, size up. So got our pistons over here. The rings, I gapped those previously already before doing the dirty stage of with the block. So, and the new rings. And then these are the pistons. So if you recall, I showed these pistons a few weeks ago, and they are the ones that had all of those power tool markings all across the dome. So now they've been vapor honed and blasted and brought back to a nice surface finish, very slick once it wears in, grooves in. So looking real good right there. So yeah, these are the CPs, and like I say, so they are nice and fresh versus what they were when they came out. So yes, very lovely surface finish. Yeah, I like. So yeah, like I say, we just miking up this crank, seeing where things are at, because this has been polished now. So this got a polish on it from what it was originally. So now I'm just miking it up, seeing where it comes back at, and then I'm gonna have to go ahead and which I already did the mains already, so I like what I see from the mains, but I'm gonna have to go ahead next and get the rods and put the bearings in the rods and clamp them up and see what the ID of that measures versus the OD of the actual journals that we got here. And then you subtract, do the math, and that'll give you your actual bearing clearance. So that's what's up, man. So we in here, SR20, getting busy. So I turn you on when I got some more. I'm out of here. Later.